तीन तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा is a Hindi proverb and definitely people believe कि अगर तीन लोग या तीन लोग कुछ अगर साथ में काम कर रहे हैं या तीन कुछ है साथ में पक्का न पक्का वो काम बिगड़ने वाला है. Do you also believe? Believe me people, I don't believe in this proverb because ये proverb हम बचपन से आके अब तक सुन रहे हैं कैसे कुछ होता है. Because in my real life example, I have people that I want to share कि ऐसे को काम कर रहे हैं and उनका कुछ काम बिगड़ा नहीं, उल्टा बहुत अच्छा होते जा रहा है. And definitely if you do believe कि काम तीन तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा होता है, please let me know in the comment section below what are your views about this topic. And definitely I said that I'm going to share you two real life examples from my life. Three amazing women, principal, vice principal and headmistress, both are women. And yes, बहुत अच्छे से पूरे स्कूल को संभाल रहे हैं. There are three pillars of the school and definitely all the teachers and the students call them the Trimurti of the school. And definitely second will be whom I call a Trimurti. Recently during lockdown, I came across a group of three admins that I didn't have any idea about, but definitely one was a marketing psychology strategist, second was a language trainer, and third in HR. And I was so confused ki what are their mission actually. And then when I come to know that their mission is actually to empower 1 billion women across the globe, I was quite surprised and happy to be in the part of that group and definitely now a part of their team. And definitely their dream of empowering 1 billion will definitely come true. And then people, having observed what I am actually focusing on which number. And yes, the number is 3. Hello all, I Diksha Kirtani, a creative mathematician on a mission of helping people to eradicate the mathophobia and make learning much more interesting. And today, I heartily welcome you all to the Wow Wednesday. In Wow Wednesday, we usually share some amazing wow facts and figures about something, about maths, psychology, learning. And today, I'm going to share with you something amazing about the number 3. So are you ready people? Let's begin. Number 1 is definitely, ये बहुत बार बोला गया है, अगर जिसे समय का सदुपयोग करना आ गया, मानो उसे जीवन का रहस्य समझ लिया. And why? Because we overthink about the past a lot and what will happen in the future. But what we should actually focus on is the present. And so, the fact number 1 will be the time is divided into 3 spans: past, present and future. Fact number 2, the dimensions a human can perceive is 3. And now, fact number 3, I'm going to say something about art. Since I'm a creative person, art का तो होना बहुत important है ना people? There are 3 primary colors: red, yellow, blue. There are 3 secondary colors: purple, orange and green. And definitely उनका क्या है? 3. And definitely religion and mathematics में भी बहुत ज़्यादा important है maths. And here comes the fact number 4. If you connect together 3 sides, so minimum 3 sides are required to form a polygon, and that is a triangle. This is a triangle. And definitely Pythagoras theorem तो आपने बहुत सुना होगा, that is used in a right angle triangle. And definitely वो क्या बोलता है हमें, the side hypotenuse side square is equal to sum of the other 2 sides. But ये जो 3 आंसर्स मिलते हैं हमको, the numbers on written on each of the sides, उसको actually एक नाम है, and that is a Pythagorean triplet. And also people, if the 3 points are in line, they are known as collinear points. And definitely it's come to the end of this fact session, and we are on the fact number 5 about religion. Definitely the number 3 is a symbol of completion, and yes, in Bible the 3 is repeated many a time. The 3 number is repeated in Bible many a times as a symbol of completion. And definitely Hinduism में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ये 3 बहुत मैटर करता है, 3 number. And although 3 is considered as auspicious, but whenever you visit a temple, you will find out and see that devotees take 3 circular rounds around the temple to pay the homage to the goddess. And definitely Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Parvati are considered as three powerful in Hinduism. And definitely, here I come to the end of sharing with you something amazing about the number 5. Culture mein hai, religion, mathematics, art, human eye can perceive 3 dimensions. And that was it for today. Please do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite number, so that next time I come up, I will share with you something special about your number. And definitely people, something number 1 to 9 ho to zyada better, because and also I have clarified and mentioned the 3 already. Number 1, 5 and 7 we have already covered. Wow man, what a coincidence कि 3 videos हो गए and 3 numbers भी हो गए. Definitely this is the 4th one. Please let me know which is your favorite number. So next time I come, I'll join you. I'll share some amazing facts about your number. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you have a great day ahead.